Quick easy one while I got 5 minutes. That's that Brinks that Slim sent to Andy. Of course I'm going to pick it. Andy said I'm allowed to. Very pretty. I'll show you the bitting and everything else after. Well, I'll show you the bitting, but I'm not bothering to take the key off until we've finished. So, Peterson gem and a homemade tensioner. No securities in this. It's not a huge challenge. It's a nice little pick. And it's a pretty piece of brass. And there we go. So, my mum asked me a stupid question this morning. She says, you got any padlocks I can put on the shed? Yeah, I've got nearly 100 and you can't fucking have any of them. Oh, language, sorry. So anyway, same padlock. Double peak bogatar. Actually, it takes longer to bogatar than it does to single pin picket. He says. Oh. Are you going to be a pig today? Come on. And there you go. Yep. Anyway, there's your keys. What are we looking at? Looks like 5 pin. And of course it opens and closes. Anyway, just a little baby. Bit of fun. Pretty little padlock. Thanks guys and take care.